guys, we at Pavez Cosmetics and the Aroma Shop are going to be doing a 10-day plastic-free, or almost, challenge. It's a 10-day challenge, and the idea is you look at 10 items that you use in your everyday cosmetics, body care, skin care, makeup, whatever. So each day you're going to take one product that you use and see if you can make it chemical-free and plastic-free. So it's one product per day. We're going to be starting off ourselves with deodorant, and we're going to be doing a different product every day. You can follow us, or you can use your own products as well. So we're going to start this challenge on November the 1st at 7 p.m. Amsterdam time, and it's going to be shown on Facebook and YouTube. So a challenge per day for 10 days. I do hope you'll join us in this challenge, and if you have any suggestions, please put them in the box below. So bye for now.